Okay guys, so I want to show you how to take a screenshot of something and submit it on Canvas. You can do this with any class. Boom cards, this is great for. This will make our lives way easier. Prodigy, to prove that you've worked on Prodigy. Other online things, this will just make your life way easy. So live assignments, you can do that too. I'm going to show you this live in class tomorrow, but if you need to go back and watch this again, or if you're on distance learning right now, this will really help you. So what I do is I go down here to the type in search button and I start typing in Snipping Tool. And it comes up with these scissors right here. And that was my old snip that I did, so I'm just going to do a new one. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to whatever it is that you want to take a snip of or a picture of. And maybe I want to take a snip of boom cards. So I can't do the boom cards and show you. So maybe actually, I don't know, let's see. So maybe I skip through all of them. I don't know if it's even going to let me do this. We're going to find out. Okay, so submit. Give up. Yes. Okay, so it's going to make me do this on the whole thing, and I don't have time for that. So when you get to your score at the end, here's what you'll do. You'll go to your snipping tool, and you'll hit New, and then you'll click and drag and hold on whatever it is you want to screenshot. So I would want to screenshot my score, but obviously I don't have a score, so I'm just going to show you this. So then I let go, and it pops it up over here. So I'm going to do File, Save As, and I'm going to save it as Boom 10/18. That's the date that I want to save it as. And if you'll notice, it goes directly into my pictures file. So what I'm going to do now is go to Canvas and go ahead and put that in there. So if I go to Canvas here and I log in as student view, show you how to do this really quick. So student view, and then I go down to the date for today, 10/19, and then it tells me to take a screenshot of my results of the boom cards, and it says email it to me. Well, you can either email it to me or you can submit it on Canvas. Either way, whatever is easier for you. So I'm going to go ahead and do resubmit assignment. I already did this for an example, but I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to do choose file, and it goes to my pictures, and I'm going to find that picture of the boom cards that I did, that I snipped for you, and I'm going to hit open, and I'm going to hit submit. Ooh, oh no, confetti, that's so cute. Okay, so then I'm going to show you what I see on my side. So then what I see is that a student submitted something over here. So I'll go look at it, and I will see a copy of that picture that you took. And then I can just copy your grade and put it in here, and it's super easy. So if you need to watch this again so that way you know how to do it, or if you need help doing this, feel free to ask me and I can help you. Or if you have another way, you already know how to screenshot, feel free to use your way. This is just the way that I do it, but there's a lot of workarounds and different ways to do this, so you don't have to do it my way necessarily.